This week, we made it to Austin, Texas to visit our friends Christian and Allie. After a month of boondocking completely for free, we enjoyed 3 days paying $30 a night to stay at what they call an improved campground. It had water and electric, and we could finally not be so conservative with our resources. It took a little getting used to. It was rainy and overcast, which we didn't mind at all because it helped encourage us to slow down and take a rest day. Our site was just a short walk from Lake Travis, so we did a little exploring. There was sun the next day, and Christian came to spend the day with us at the lake. We went for a long walk and found a nice sitting area with a view. We later realized it was someone's private yard. Next, we made our way closer to downtown and stayed at our second paid site, this one an RV park, or RV resort, as they call it. It was actually really nice and had great customer service. It felt so cushy compared to everything we'd experienced so far. We could get used to living this way. One thing I was most looking forward to at this park was that they had laundry.
Our neighbors have an Italian Greyhound. Oh.
We met up with Christian and Allie for some classic Texas barbecue and then ice cream. We strolled downtown and made our way to the river. Our last day in town, they took us to their favorite pizza place and then to a bakery for some blueberry danishes. Then it was back downtown for a walk along the river. On the drive, Christian told Toby, "You're using your turn signal. They can tell you're an out-of-towner." I'm pleased to say that this week we had no disasters, and in fact on Friday we had an appointment to get our generator issue fixed. Luckily, this technician was on the way, just north of Houston. Now we can have power on overcast days and are completely self-sufficient for power. On Saturday, we drove past Houston and on to the coast. It got progressively swampier, and my anxiety kicked in as Wikipedia confirmed that alligators do live in East Texas. We had no idea the landscape got like this so far west, and seeing it caught us by surprise. We drove through very flat land that could have been the Midwest, when suddenly there was the ocean. Right there, like right there. It was so bizarre and didn't feel real. The town of Bolivar Peninsula was like nothing we had ever seen before. Its colorful houses were up on crazy high stilts, and its palm trees seemed so out of place next to what still looked like the Midwest to our right. It was the most bizarre mix of sights and the most different place I've ever been. The reason this spot was on our radar is because you can camp for free, right on the beach. We couldn't believe it. I couldn't wait to feel the waves on my feet, although I knew they'd be chilly, then head back inside to wait for a warmer day tomorrow. Stay tuned next week to see where the road takes us.